Guys, good evening, good afternoon, good evening. So as G's na dari guys naghanda ako ng guys para sa gift bukas guys dahil nga Christmas party namin ng morning class ko. Pero syempre hindi ako magbibigay. So anyway, maghanda ako ng mga gifts sa mga kasama ko guys sa sa classroom. So, dito kasi guys, may katulong sa guys, classroom guys. So, ngayon, sila day? Madami sila. Iba-ibang schedule. So, bigyan ko ng mga gift day. Tiyan. Mga sabon yung pamigay ko guys. Kasi ang dami kong sabon. So, ayan. Bigyan ko sila ng sabon. She's still in the bathroom. Bigyan ko sila ng sabon dye. Dove dye. So, sobrang bango. Grabe ang bango. Bigyan ko sila ng tag-iisang sabon. Dove. Ang bango niya. Sobrang bango niya dahil. Anyway, bigyan ko sila ng tag-iisang sabon. To Miss Ren, Miss Roy, plus Chanan. That's mine. Ayan, okay kasi po yan. Tag-iisa silang sabon dahil.
Hurry the fuck up! I gotta see you.
Tag-iisang sabon sila, hindi ba? Panggip dahil sabon, panglaba. Okay na yan. At least meron, diba? Tag-isa silang sabon. Sabon yung pangregalo ko dahil sa aking mga kasama. Ano na naman ito? Wala ko ng pangalan. Ito. Ay, mabasag siya dahil. Wala na siya dahil. At maliit na guys. Thank you. Diba? And then I have some cannot find my scissor. So, sama na siya dahil. May card. Where's yours? Where's your card dahil? Oh, ito pala yung card niya.
Did you do this? One second, do it.
Siya, Merry Christmas. Ganyan. Thank you for all you do. Merry Christmas.
Trying to find an excuse to stay up as late as she can. You know, she's tired of to wake up in the morning still. Yes. This is Asia. She looks Filipino. What'd she do? looks Filipino. What do you think?
Huh?
Does this character look Filipino?
I don't know. I'm busy right now. I'm busy
It
right
takes 2 seconds to
now.
walk over here.
Okay, yes, I guess so. Yeah, I saw it into it. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have one of everything.
Gift.
Oh, yeah, that's
1, 2, 3. Oh. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Guys, Pasko na mag-share ng love, no? So, ang dami kong ano, guys. Namigay ko, guys, mga plato. Mga plato. Baso, ayan, no? Happiness is homemade. Then, pinunok ko ng mga candy. Chocolate, ganyan. So, tapos, sabon. Oh, diba? Dove na sabon. Bango, day. Tapos, body wash.
I don't care. That's how you were in there so long.
Why?
Because my phone was in there.
It's 10 o'clock now. It's very 10 o'clock
You're in your
now.
pajamas now. You were supposed to get in your pajamas an hour ago.
She's not still in pajama. I thought she's sleeping already. Can you please put the phone here, Alice?
It's in the bathroom.
No, I want my phone here. I want your phone here. Thank you. So, anyway, I have lotion, body wash. So, ayan, day. Tapos, may 1 pack pa siya na ano, yung pang scrub ba. So, yun yung aking gift sa kanila, no. So, ayan yun. Kasi mayroon akong high schooler who helped me. So, ayan yung mga maliliit sa mga high schooler ko yan. Pero yung staff, 3 teachers din sa classroom ko, I'll give them each. So, anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bring my phone out here, please.
5.
Go get it.
Sulatan ko lang siya ng Merry Christmas, no? 5 and 6.
Well, I just- Nobody needs to hear about that, George.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. 6, 7, 8. Alam niyo guys, habang nag-ano ako kanina guys, no, yung namili ako ng mga gift nila guys, sabi ko, bakit ka na sila bibigyan ng gift? Araw-araw nila ako binibigyan ng ano, sakit sa ulo. Sabi ng asawa ko, Christmas day. Christmas. So, araw-araw nila akong binibigyan ng sakit sa ulo day. Ano ba yun? 1, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, my sulatan natin ito mamaya natin ito sulatan. So anyway, meron na tayong sabon, chocolate. Yan lang, sabon, day. Ano mo ito? Towel. Madami siyang towel. Siyang sabon. Sabon. Meron pa pala. Meron pa akong 1 cup. Kanina ko ito ibibigay. Cup. Ito ibibigay ang cup.
I haven't played since we played. No, so we can't play. I've been on the PlayStation.
Happiness is homemade. Ayan guys. Iyan ko din sila ng cup, no? So, ang dami kong ganito sa bahay. So, I will give it to them. Ayan, oras na para maglinis-linis ng bahay. Yes, lagyan natin. Punuin natin ng chocolate. Ganun, guys. Diba, ayan.
What's special to you?
Punuin yung chocolate. Ganyan. Diba? So, yan guys. Fancy. Oh, wait. Ako, magbuak kung kaniday. Magbuak. Magbuak kung kaniday, no? Ano pala akong bag na malaki.
Oh, it's not behind me.
Anyway, ayan na nga. Tapos na tayo, day. At ito na ang Christmas natin. Merong cup. Sabon. Chanan. And then chanan. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's gonna take me a while to get used to this all over again. I'm trying. I have no idea what this map is. I don't know nothing. Hello? Yeah, dropped. I'm by myself all of a sudden. Should I leave? Go back to lobby?
Yes, Dakota. boy. November 7. Okay.
I don't know how it's doing. Do that special. I have no idea what this is. No. I want you to use that.
Bunuan na siya dahil na kumaano.
Are you still in here? Is it? Are you still in here?
Oh my gosh, I'm very happy. Nag-gift ko sa kanila guys. See, wait lang naman ito. Wait lang. And then, swerte na nila ha, may regalo sila sa akin. Charot lang. Binigyan nila ako ng headache lagi. Right here. See, home happiness is homemade. Say, and die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meron pang isa. Oh, 6. Okay, Day. So now, I'm gonna get the stuff.
Where's
I
yours?
have this one, guys. Happy birthday, Mani. Ay, kalain mo dahil kay happy birthday, Mani. Ay, Pasko. Laki din ang mga gift na pinamigay, guys, ba? Pinatapos ko yung mga ano.
Wrong button. It was on this truck. Oh! Right below you. You're right behind me. Another team moving in. Both down each other. No. My bad. Why am I by myself? I'm not in this party one.
Peanut butter, mini pumpkin, unwrapped milk chocolate, and peanut butter cream. Wala na sila dahil. Sa mag-agwa, bugno sila dahil. Charot lang. Ayan na sila dahil. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung sword, guys, no? So, this one is for my high schooler. Tiyanan! Sa mga high schooler ko to. Iba yung sa mga high schooler maliliit. Lindor chocolate. And then, I have a cup for them. Ayan, no? Let it snow, let it snow. Anyway. So, then, puno yan siya ng chocolate dye. Tignan natin ng M&M's. Para kunyari marami. Tapos may medyas. Tapos may sabon. Dove. Spoiled sila, ha. Binibigyan nila ako ng headache every day. But anyway, I love them. Body wash, saka lotion. Diba? Ayan na yung mga ano sa kanila mga high schooler ko. Tapos ito naman may ayan, chocolate. Parehas lang din. Tapos may notebook siya dyan kasi mahilig din magsulat-sulat. Ayan yung sa mga high schooler ko. And then sa mga teachers din, nakasama ko sa classroom. I'm gonna give them each. Ayan, so meron akong candle. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Charot lang. So, meron akong laces for them. Tapos, meron akong sabon din. Tapos, ang cute nito, guys. Oh my goodness. I need to show you this. Look. Very, very beautiful bag. So, look at that. So, meron akong, ano yun yung pang luto ba? Mittens. Tiyanan, mittens. And then, look.
There's nobody landing here.
Plato na dahon dai. So, pinapartner ko yan siya. Plato na dahon. O, diba? Pak ang plato na dahon. So, 6 yun. Tapos, ayan. Diba? Grabe na yung ano nila, regalo nila sa akin. Spoiled na sila masyado sa akin. Charot. So, trick or treat yourself. Reese's peanut butter pumpkin. I should give them a Lindor. I should trade them, right? Yung instead Reese's. Okay, I will treat them, guys. Kasi, love, which one is better? Do I need to give the lender of my... Nag-ask ako kay daddy ko na, guys.
Candy, another person candy?
Asa ako kay
Or
ganun, guys,
this person
kung
candy, another person
ito ba yung ihatag ko sa high schooler or sa mga teacher?
I forgot that you can look around like this.
Limited edition is Snickerdoodle.
That's how long it's been. Like,
White chocolate muffin. White chocolate truffles. Ay, nakabay. Ako na yan. Yan, yung lindor na lang sa para ko dahil. Pero ayaw, ay, magwapa siya tanaw. Gwapa siya tanawon dahil. No, tanan, lindor na lang nato. Magwapa siya tanaw. Erases na lang nato. Ang time special ba? Kasi lindor na ito ang atang ko. Magwapa siya tanawon dahil. So, yun na. Tapos, kanang erases na lang nato ang atang mga schooler. Parang gwapa po sila. Gwapa. Ano na ang
click down the button for
guys. Chanan. So, ito yung high school. Miss Ren, Miss Roy, Annabelle, Mrs. Rock.
Oh! He's right here. He's almost dead.
Putos. Much of this day. Yan na akong plato dahil. Trabaho pala to siya dahil. Tulog ka, uy. Ako na-inform. Oh my goodness.
Oh! Must have gotten in my head.
Ayun tayo. So, i-check na to ang atong mga regalo. Towel, chocolate, sabon. Ito naman, kandila, lindor, metens. So, napatay is Victoria's Secret tayo, no? So, I'm gonna be Victoria's Secret, you know? Hindi ko alam yung kanta dahil bahala mo dahil. Kesa man eh. Ano ko dari sa badi. Hindi pa yung mga chocolate dari, oh. Happiness is gathered here. Victoria's Secret. Charot lang. Diba? Ganito lang guys, ang buhay. Lagi bitang laban ako nagpangan. Ang dami lang nato yung pangahan guys. It's heavy. Kay Brianna. Ito Miss Brianna. Ayan na guys. So, ready for tomorrow. Giving a gift.